Which of the following are multiples of 6? A multiple of a number is what you get when you multiply that number by a whole number. So I have to ask myself, 6 times what gives me these numbers? And if that what is a whole number, then you're a multiple. So 6 times what is 60? 6 times 10 is 60. 10 is a whole number, so 60 is a multiple of 6. 6 times what is 24? Well, 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 is a multiple because 4 is a whole number. Let's try it again. 6 times what is 12? Well, 6 times 2 is 12. 2 is a whole number, so 12 is an option. 6 times what is 64? Well, 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 11 is 66. So 64, if I were to divide, would get me a remainder. So 64 is not an option, but these three numbers were.